Good morning, everybody. We are here. Look, it's not too bad outside today. It's a little cloudy right now, but it's going to get up to like 75 degrees today. I love it. We got Dark Bro, F-I-R-O-I, J-Bones in the chat as well. Dark Bro, J-Bones, J-Bones, and Dark Bro in the chat. Still got him. You did, man. Dark Bro, you're fast, dude. J-Bones, what's going on, man? He says no spamming in the chat. Talk to yourself, J-Bones. J-Bones, Dark Bro, J-Bones, Dark Bro, Kombu, Dark Bro, Kombu. Tiffany Lynn, what's going on? Kenneth, Dark Bro, all of you guys. Good morning to every single one of you. Glad to have you in here. Let's check the market out and see what the market's got going on. Jada, Chaka. Ooh, Chaka, what's going on, Chaka? Chaka Crypto or Chaka Kong? Is this a different one or is this the same Chaka Kong? That is not what I want to see. Pepe is down today. We'll look at that in a minute here, guys, but I want to look at the market first, see what's happening in the stock market, cryptocurrency market. We've got AMC sitting at $6 on the top left-hand side of the screen. It is up 1.44% on the day today. Shiba Inu coin, 900. Oh, my goodness, 900 points per coin on Shiba Inu coin. Check this out, touching lows of 873 points per coin. Things are getting a little dangerous for the Shiba Inu coin game right now. 900 points per coin right there. GameStop sitting at $20.75 at the moment. It is up 1.61% on the day. Bitcoin down 1.82%, sitting at $27,949 after touching lows of around, where is it? Gosh, give me these lows here. I don't know what the low today was. 27.7, 27.6. Somewhere in that range right there. I want to get rid of these lines. Yeah, let's get rid of these lines. Get rid of that. So we got a couple less lines on the screen for Bitcoin. My goodness. Let's just clean this up slightly here. Get rid of this one too. We'll leave the reds. We'll leave the reds and the greens. I want to leave this one, though. All right, cool. That's a little bit cleaner. Good to go. Mullen Auto, ladies and gentlemen. Mullen Auto. Oh, no, we didn't look at Ethereum. Ethereum sitting at 1866 right now. Shiba Inu coin, 899, down below 900 points per coin. Dogecoin sitting at 7.5 cents. Bitcoin sitting at 27,937. Mullen Auto, $1.55. It is up 3.67% of the day. Sundial sitting at $1.72. Not bad. It was down to $1.40 a couple weeks ago. CEI sitting at $1.29. The SPY sitting at $412.45 on its way back down a little bit at the moment. BBIG 19 cents. Highcraft Mining 41 cents. Netflix sitting at $3.31. QQQ 3.22. Ape sitting at $1.57 and MPW 8.60 right now. I want to know if Frank's selling some more cash secure puts at that 8.50 or what we got going on. Bitcoin, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to watch it in the bottom left. Cryptocurrency taking a little bit of a hit today because a few hours ago, Binance announced that they were suspending temporarily withdrawals of Bitcoin because of network congestion, fees, and all of that. So they temporarily suspended Bitcoin withdrawals. Everybody began to freak out because cryptocurrency withdrawals were being halted. Bitcoin withdrawals were being halted. They reopened them. Stopped them again, and then reopened them again. So I believe everything is fine on the Binance platform right now. But, yeah, giving everybody a little scare. Binance was scaring people with their Bitcoin withdrawals. Hey, thoughts on the dump today? Cryptocurrency or stocks? Because my thoughts on the crypto dump today is based on Binance kind of scaring people with their Bitcoin withdrawals there. Sup, fellas? Ben, Seek, and Hunt. We are going to be looking at Ben. Is that something? I haven't seen that. Pepe down, Lunk up. No, Terra Luna Classic is actually not up today. Terra Luna Classic is testing some lows. Pepe is down though, Jada. We'll talk about that in a second here. Pulled 85% out to Tether. Feel like a big dip coming. Kombu. We talking the rest of the crypto market, or we talking like the crypto market? You talking Pepe? You talking what are we talking here with a huge dip, dude? If Binance is scaring people like that, yeah, you may see a pretty big dip coming. MIFIRST. Did I win? Who did? John J, man. We in your own heart, man, we can say that you won. Yes. But, unfortunately for you, it was Dark Bro that was FIR, and J-Bones was I in the chat. Dark Bro and J-Bones coming in on a close one today. Everything down. Even sold my XRP bag. Boo. Hey, dude, listen. You know, I don't really know. Gosh, dude. Kombu, here's my thought process on this. We are down so far right now that, yes, a lot of people may be thinking that we are near the bottom, and everybody may end up with a mentality like you that it is time to sell. This is actually a pretty good point, okay? Everybody thinking that this dip could fall off a further cliff may indicate that fear is at its all-time peak, and any little kind of I guess change, any little concern could lead to a big sell-off and people being extremely conservative. That might indicate that we're near a bottom, dude. It might indicate that we're near a bottom. At least I'm trying to be optimistic and hoping that indicates we're near a bottom. It's Pepe's fault. Selling Bitcoin. I like it. What's going on, John J? Everything's Pepe's fault, man. Pepe makes millionaires and Pepe loses 50% in a very short period of time. I ain't giving up on Pepe yet, though, man. I ain't giving up on Pepe yet. If this dip holds till the 17th, I'm loading the bags, baby. The dip could hold till the 17th, man. We've seen some dips, and we know that these dips can hold. Time to build, always, dude. Listen, it's always time to build. When things are going up and things are going down, definitely time to build. Click Pepe just launched on the Binance Smart Chain, the bullish bulldog. We'll check that out as well. Fubo gonna break $2 today. The $8 price target they got today is very bullish news for them. Yeah, Paul, man, I actually saw that they had a $5 price target reiterated by somebody out there, but dude, I don't know if it's gonna break $2 today. It's sitting at like $1.75 or something. It's sitting at like a buck 81 right now. My goodness, man, buck 80 stinking one right now. We'll look at Fubo here, but I gotta say, Patrick, thank you very much for the super chat. Patrick says, "The return of the king, Skull Dark Bro." Can I give him a dilly to Dark Brilly? Haha, thank you very much, Pat. Oh my gosh. For the super chat and the authorized hydration, I love it, man. 9,979 to go. See Scott Schaefer talking crap about me in his video. I did not, Matthew. I did not. Here. Ooh, pancake power! Thank you very much for this Streamlabs super chat. I love the little unicorn. Perfect. The king unicorn for that one. Let's go. Thank you very much. Pancake power. I don't know if this is Pika power, pancake power, pocket burritos, pancake friends. I don't know who this is, but thank you very much for the super chat. Really appreciate it. And a little king unicorn to start the Monday off right. Oh my gosh. Matt Perry. I'm going to address this in a second here. John J. Thank you very much for the, hold on. Fist, boom, fist, boom. Fist, boom, fist, boom, baby John J. Loving it, dude. Starting the Mondays off with some hydration. Starting them off with some unicorns. Starting them off with some fist bumps. I love it. Here, look, dude. People, man, I don't even know the best way to go about this, right? I did see a large amount of people talking about Pepe over the weekend. I scrolled through and I was looking at all the videos that were showing up in search for Pepe, and it was basically drawing everybody in, man. BitBoy was talking about it. Everybody was talking about Pepe, right? Which is almost necessary to talk about Pepe. Here's the thing that some people or some skeptics kind of fail to overlook, man. People want to know, they're just intrigued by things that are making money. And sure, Pepe is, at this point, a lot riskier, and I don't know what all Scott's problems are with people talking about Pepe. But sure, Pepe is a lot riskier and so on. But dude, it could turn into something like Shiba Inu coin did. It could turn into something like Dogecoin did. You never really know. but people are intrigued by the possibility of making millions of dollars in a 2-week period. And that's what people in Pepe did, man. So anybody that's got a problem with anybody doing videos on it, anything for that matter, should just focus on themselves a little bit more. You know what I mean? Like Matt Perry, man, I don't care if you go out and make videos on the fact that, you're trying to catch Santa Claus on Christmas Eve, dude. You're setting up a trap, dude, and you're going to get him when he comes down your chimney. You can make videos on whatever you want to make videos on. If somebody's got a problem with the videos that you're making, well, I honestly think that they might have a lack of content creativity, I guess. If you got to start like downing other people in order to make your video, just don't do it. Just don't do it. Guys, go watch Matthew Perry's videos. Like, just go watch them. Let the ads play a couple times. Show this dude some love. Because anybody that's taking on hate like that, just say no. Matt Perry, dude, you're still the man. We love you in here. And I talked about Pepe, too. So was he coming after me? Gosh, dude. Gosh. Hey, Matt Perry, next time you make a video, and just be like, listen, anybody coming after me means that they're following. So he's a follower, dude. I like it. What do we got? Should we do a special Matthew Perry banana? Oh, because Matt, you know how to eat a banana, right? Matt knows how to eat. I think Matt knows how to eat a banana. I don't know. We'll have to see about that. Oh, people talking about Pepe don't like it because they didn't have any coin. Jada. I know, man. And here's the thing. Even if you get in late on a coin, even if you don't have a coin, never be salty about somebody else's success. Holy moly, dude. That is one of the ugliest sweaters that you can wear, is being salty about somebody else's success. Don't ever. That is a bad look. Don't ever be salty about somebody else's success. Even if you're going through a tough time right now, man, celebrate other people's wins, because one day it will be your turn. Let's see. I want a Pi Network, open mainnet. Oh, okay. I was like, Pin Network? What is Pin Network? I mean, we have the Chicken Master, Mantis. We got it all, dude. We've got it all. Slayer! 4 months of bro, baby. Guess who's back? Back again. Slayer's back. Let's get started. What's going on, Dark Bro? Slayer JC, how you doing, man? Dark Bro! Just in case Matt Perry doesn't know how to eat a banana. You peel the banana, Matt. You tilt the head back a little bit, you lick it, then you stick it. Oh, yeah. You got to maintain that eye contact, though. It's the most important part of the entire game. Dark Bro, dude, thank you very much for how to properly lick and stick a banana. Bro, I love it when people win in life. There's enough negativity as it is. Yes, dude, 100% agree with you. There is enough negativity, dude. Anywhere you look out there, you are going to be coming across something negative, so celebrate the positives, even if they're not your positives, dude. Heck yeah, bro, work is crazy right now. I like it. Slayer, Pika, Slayer, all of it. John J, from left to right. Matt Perry, this is for you. You peel that banana again, you look it to the left. I can't look at the camera. You look it to the left, you look it to the right, you lick it, and you stick it. John J, thank you very much for all of the tips on how to properly eat a banana, guys. JB, 22 months of bro, man. I love it. JB, dang, man. JB is working right now. JB, what kind of a comment is that, man? Working right now. JB, thank you very much for being a bro for 22 months, man. Thank you very much for being in here for 22 months. And thank you very much for being you, dude. Good morning, the queen of all Pikas. Heck yeah. I believe it, man. Keep on the hard work. I like it. Slayer, I've been very busy as usual. How are you? Pika, stay less busy. A little double action. You like that double action, don't you? Hey, will we be doing technical analysis on Pepe? Yeah, we can look at Pepe here in a minute, man. Not a problem at all. Can you show us how to eat a banana? Again. Oh, again. Dude, if somebody sends another banana, yes, I will show you how to eat a banana again. Guaranteed. It'll probably pop up somewhere in this stream. It's almost guaranteed to happen. Ken Bro, you be sure to stay full and hydrated while working. Hot dogs and oh, just to let you know how to eat a hot dog, you dip it, and then when you're done dipping it, you shove it. Very good. Wash it down with some authorized hydration. Oh, very nice. And a little, and stay away from the wild turkeys because you'll go blind. Thank you very much for the Streamlabs super chat, Pat. My goodness, very difficult to say. Really appreciate all of those, all in one. Don't go blind, guys. Hi, Clay. 2 weeks ago, invested $350 into Pepe. 74 days ago, I was up 17,000. It didn't sell. Today, I'm down to 7,500. Should I sell or should I listen to CZ when he said you have to hold to become a millionaire? K King, let's start to look at that right now, man, because it is true. So, I don't think 74 days ago. I don't know about that. 2 weeks ago. I think the 74 days might be a little bit messed up there. But nonetheless, we're going to look at that right now. Coming on. Here we go. How do we buy Bro Coin? No. I don't think the Bro Coin is available yet, right? I don't think there's a Bro Coin available at the moment. So I don't know how you would buy it. But let's look at Pepe. And then let's give a shout out to Pika Power. Because Pepe is right here, sitting at 2,000 points per coin, 200 points per coin, however you want to talk about it. Down 27% of the day, down 50% from the all-time highs. Pika Power, thank you very much for the member chat. 14 months of bro. I love it, Pika. I love it. Congrats on the 14 months of bro. Thank you very much for that. Guys, let's go check out Pepe. And here's what I want to see. CZ is absolutely right, man. When he says that you need to hold to become a millionaire, he is absolutely right. Or when you need to hold to become rich, or however he puts it, there is no doubt about that. We're going to look at this for sure here. So you come out to the wallets. We can look at the technical analysis in a second because we are pulling back pretty heavily. But here's what I want to see. You know, these guys are all millionaires. Let's skip down through some of these exchange wallets. This guy's sitting on 4 million, 4 million, 4 million. This guy's sitting on 2 million. Yeah, that's a Noria, 2 million. This guy's sitting on, that's an exchange. This guy right here sitting on 2 million, 2 million, $2 million. This guy right here sitting on $1 million. Even these guys over here on the second page, man. What do we got here? 1 million, 1 million. So let's just look at this random 61st wallet. See how they became a Pepe millionaire. It is loading up here. This guy, 16 days ago, bought Pepe. 15 days ago, bought Pepe. 12 days ago, bought Pepe. Willing to hold. Has not sold one Pepe yet. This guy, willing to hold. Now, clearly, I don't know where the price of Pepe was right now. 15 to 16 days ago. Let's take a look at that. 15 to 16 days ago would be, all right, 7 days is the first, 14 days. So the 22nd and 23rd. 22nd and 23rd would have 10x'd. So this guy did put in nearly $100,000, right? No, we're going to stay on Pepe. That is not feasible for a lot of people. But nonetheless, buying with about $100,000 and turning that $100,000 into $1 million. That's crazy, but still took a very large amount of money in order to do so. Let's look at this guy. You know what? Let's go like page 3 or 4. Let's look at these guys that are right under $1 million. That probably would have been $1 million at the all-time highs there. This random guy right here with 300, what is this, billion Pepe. Let's take a look at this and see if it pulls up. One transaction 19 days ago. 19 days ago takes you to 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. The 19th was 19 days ago. Let's see where this guy's at. Gosh, I don't even know. Yeah, so he was still basically, he could have been 20xing to these prices right here. So this guy throwing in like $40,000 and having it turn into 800,000. Where's this number here? Oh, 600,000. So he maybe threw in like 30 grand and watched it 20x to $640,000 to where we are right now. So guys, these large wallets, they only have one transaction going into them. They are holding. That's the crazy part, man. That's the crazy part. So it is true. If you want to reach those higher levels, it might be difficult, and they are still holding. That guy had $1.2 million, and it's back down to 600,000. No out transactions in his wallet there. Good morning to you, Nick F. How you doing, man? La pika pika, la pika pika, la pika 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 pika. Yes, J-Bones, what's happening, man? Morning, Nicholas. I like it. 432 trillion coins created on Etherscan. Very nice. That's for Brocoin, right? The Brocoin that you're making out there. Face blue smiling, face purple crying. What is happening? Are you guys in, Oh, there's Twitch. Hey, would you look at that? Pika Power is the only person over in Twitch, and Pika was the first one in Twitch. Hey, Pika, throw that Twitch link in the chat if you're still over there, and I'll pin it. Because, we got 15 followers over on Twitch. We need more. Go make a Twitch account and then follow me over on Twitch. Let's see. The last burn of 1.7 billion Shib. Is it going to make a change? Anthony, no, it's not. Every little burn in and of itself is not going to make a change. Unless you saw like 1 trillion or 5 trillion coins burned in a single transaction, I wouldn't expect much of a price reaction to any single burns, okay? But the burns can do a couple things. Burns can inspire people, and inspiration is what leads to price movement. People excited is what leads to gains. And people can get excited about these littler burns and the fact that they are adding up. So, and I say littler burns, but, I say that lightly because $15,000 is not a small sum to burn. Clearly, $15,000 is a lot of money, and when that goes over 1.7 billion Shiba Inu coin, when that gets burned like that, it is still a lot of money. But 1 billion compared to the 500 trillion in existence is literally a drop in the bucket. So it's not going to make a difference in and of itself, but it could inspire people. So I wouldn't get too caught up in any single burns like that. Thank you very much, Pika. Let's throw that up at the top of the screen. If you guys would, please follow the Twitch account as well. We're multi-streaming all May. We're 8 days in. Not sure it's done anything to make a difference here, but pin that message. Really appreciate it, Pika. Kombu! Thank you very much for the super chat. Kombu says, thank you, Kombu, for the mustache. I thank you very much, Kombu. Thank you, Kombu, man. Thank you very much for the mustache. Absolutely appreciate it, dude. Kombu is the man. Pepe is dead. Pepe, Razi, did you kill Pepe? I don't think Pepe is dead yet, guys. A lot of people are saying that Pepe is dead, though. We can, let's look at the volume on that, because I don't think Pepe is dead just yet. At least I hope Pepe is not dead just yet. Anthony, absolutely, man. Joyce, good morning to you. How you doing? Possible that Shiba hit 7 before going back up. Yeah, it is possible, man, but a drop below 7 would actually scare me. So let's look at Shiba real quick, and then we're gonna look at Pepe again. A drop below 7 on Shiba would scare me, dude. You know what? I wanna make it big. Let's go Shib. All right, we're at 899 points right now. Clearly, this is let's make this big. Let's make this scary and red. This is, we don't need this one on here right now. This is a sound the alarm support level. Down here it's 790, 800 points flat. Okay, you can move it up slightly to touch the bodies here instead of the wicks, but this is a very crucial level of support on Shiba Inu coin, and there's just a little level of support where we're at right now. Lasted for about a month or two back in this area, and we could very easily fall through it. You could see that we're wicking down already. Peter Pocket, what? Pita Pocket Bread the third. I thought it said fell. Pita Pocket Bread the third. Thank you very much for the no ignore. We've got a what? Is this a Batman? I don't even know what this is. I am Batman. I am Batman. Thank you very much. I think for the I am Batman, Pita Pocket Bread the third. What is that? Like a king bat, right? A king bat for the dark bro. I like it. Oh my gosh, it's a king pancake bat. A king pancake bat. How do you know that was Pika? Pita Pocket the third. Pita Pocket Bread the third. How do we know that that's even Pika? It's for dark bro. There we go. That's what we got. That's what we got. All right, Kiki killed Pepe. Nobody killed Pepe. My gosh. Can gas go down now? If Pepe is dead, gas will go down, JB. It's true. Guys, take a look at Shiba Inu coin right here, right? 790. Why is this so important? You know, we tested at the beginning of 2023. Very start of the year, tested 779 there, and actually did very nice, doubling in price. Doubled your money during that rally right there. We tested it again back here in June of 2022. Now, of course, it wicked down even lower, but this area right in here is the major level of support. If you go all the way back, that's the lowest. This is the lowest that we have tested since running way up to 8,800 points per coin. Okay, this is the lowest level that we have tested here, and it is a very important level. We got to scroll all the way back. Weeble doesn't even have it on the screen. But back here in May of 2021, Shiba Inu coin shot up to 3,500 points per coin. And the lowest that we have tested since then was 500 points per coin. So, yes, there is a little level of support below this 700 mark. But as you can see, 700 is very crucial. 700 to 800, very crucial. If we fall below this level, it is going to be a little scary to see what happens. But here's the good news. Look at this breakout right here. When Shiba Inu coin bounced off of this level back during the bull run, you didn't have much of a chance to jump in. Shiba jumped from the 700, 800 point per coin mark. And in 1, 2, 3 days was testing 3,500 points again. Basically 5 to 6x in value in a 3-day period. Consolidated for a minute, and boom, baby, broke out in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days. Touched those all-time highs. You did not have much time to react. And if you did react, instead of loading up before, dude, you were sitting right here, man. You were getting in and maybe doubling your money from 4,000 to 8,000 points per coin. But here's what we could be looking at with Pepe right now. Shiba Inu coin ripping up to new highs, 3,500, and all the way back down to 2,000. That is nearly a 50% decline. And that could be what we're seeing in Pepe right now. 50% decline in the price. But we may see some volatility. We may see a little consolidation right here. You guys can see it wedging down, bull flagging into this area, and then another rip. I don't know. I don't know if we got another rip or not. But this has been some devastating action over the last couple of years on Shiba Inu coin, and a major test of support right there. Let's see. Friday, I had $250 in my portfolio, and now I have $150 in your portfolio. It's not dead just yet, Rozzy. We know that when it rises fast. I have a good intuition on these kinds of things. Pika, it's a king panda. Gotcha. That's a very good intuition. You know exactly what is meant by all of these random super chats by people that we don't know who they are. Pita Pocket the third, Pita Pocket Bread the third might have meant a king pancake bat. I don't even know how to do a king pancake bat, but I think I did it. Sounds about right. I haven't even looked at mine, J Bones. What is the best way coin to double my money fast in crypto? The best single coin to do, honestly, the best single coin to do so right now, the only one that's moving is Pepe. Looks like Shib got a little too close to the edge. Pudgy, that it did, man. Why? Or do you think that Lunk will pump with parity this month? Jada, Here's my thoughts on Terra Luna Classic. I think it's going to be heavily dependent on the overall crypto market. And crypto right now getting a little Binance scare as Binance suspending Bitcoin withdrawals a few hours ago, twice in the last like 8 hours or so. So crypto could be on edge, to use Pudgy's word there. Crypto is on edge at the moment, and any little movement is potentially bad news. So I'd be careful. I'd be cautious, to say the least. Pepe, double down, baby. Double down. Rise by the bro coin when it's ready. Let it fall. Then we can fix it. There you go, man. I can't even type English because of the Pepe death. What language are we talking here, man? I like it. Let's get started on a different language. It'll be good. Pudgy, J Dizzle, and Pika Power over in the Twitch chat. Appreciate all you guys for being over there. It'd be nice if I could get 16 followers on Twitch instead of the 15 that we currently have. Downtown Investment Group, thank you very much for subscribing to the channel. Absolutely appreciate you, dude. If you're in here right now, you may be subscribing off of a video. You never really know what's going on there. But guys, the overall stock market not doing too bad today. Okay, the NASDAQ is down around break even, sitting 0.09% lower, and I still think the market is kind of anticipating and reacting to what Jerome Powell said in that interest rate decision. We had a very good day on Friday with the NASDAQ. I believe it was up about 2%. For the fifth time testing this 12,200 point level on the NASDAQ. Testing it back here in February. Second attempt, third attempt, fourth attempt. Today is the fifth attempt. Today and Friday, the fifth attempt at a breakout. The good news is that if we break this level right here, it's going to be the highest that we have seen since August of 2022. And we may have already broken out of this descending wedge here, and a double break of the horizontal resistance could be a very strong indicator that the market is ready to move higher. To the contrary, if it is unable to break out on its fifth attempt, investors will lose a little bit of steam. Investors will be a little bit discouraged, and they're going to want to see a little bit of a pullback there. So if we're unable to break out on this fifth attempt, we may be coming back down to 11.5, even 11,000 points on the NASDAQ. So nonetheless, it is looking good at the moment. We are touching recent highs here on the NASDAQ, and I would like to see a breakout of this level, even if it's not on like fundamental information or not on some news. I want to see the NASDAQ doing well. I want to see some gains. I want to see people excited about investing again. Because how many of you are actually unexcited? Is anybody still excited about investing right now? It's been a very difficult 2 years, and I know a lot of people are losing steam. Le Pepe is le deathо. Le Pepe is le deatho. Pepe is not dead yet, guys. Come on. People are still trading the crap out of Pepe at the moment. Let's look at the trade volume. Pepe is sitting here at 2,000 or 200 points per coin, whatever you want to call it, 2026, a $790 million market cap. Yes, the price is down, but Pepe still sitting at a little level of support right in here. We can see this little level of support that it has over the last month. Because it was such a fast riser, we don't have much support. If Pepe falls through this level, we could absolutely be testing 1,600 or 660 points. Below that, we could be adding another zero pretty quickly. But nonetheless, these are very few and far between, these levels of support. But because we ran so fast, we don't have many levels. If you look at these numbers, though, man, $900 million being traded in Pepe over the last 24 hours is very, very strong. A lot of those volume is going to be coming from Binance, $205 million on Binance, another $4 million on Binance, $60 million on Uniswap, KuCoin up there with $27 million. Volume coming from major exchanges right now, and people trading as opposed to kind of just buying and holding at the moment. So $900 million to coin, to me, is not yet dead. Let's see here. ABC correction for more upside. ABC correction for more upside. Something I'm excited about making money off my investments. Finally, somebody, thank you for not thinking that question was rhetorical, Pika. I really appreciate it. We need a Pika coin. We do need a Pika coin, man. Anybody with a Pika coin is got to be successful. It wasn't Pepe that skunk. Yes, that was Pepe Le Pew. I think Pepe is just a frog now, man. I don't know. We need. Oh God, dude! If you see Pepe Le Pew coming up, man, we might have another meme coin on our hands that could absolutely roll. Pepe did skunk. Rozzy. Listen, Rozzy, I actually like the fact, man, that you're not, like, super negative about being down on Pepe right now. Some people can come in here very upset, and although you may be upset you're down a little bit, I like the way you're taking it right now, dude. I like the way you're taking it. Pepe Le Pew, baby, Pepe Le Pew. When Pepe Le Pew coin? Soon. No one promotes Lunk now. Shun. I still make Terra Luna Classic videos, but here's the difference. You know, you don't necessarily want promotion of coins. You want, I guess, information about coins and what they're doing. Promotion is kind of dangerous. When you're going out there and you're just saying, buy, this is what you need to look at. If you're pulling a Jim Cramer, buy, just like getting, people to buy in, that's promoting. And that's not necessarily a good thing. You want people to make their own decisions in buying something. So if you bring the numbers to the attention of others and they can make that decision that, yeah, I'm willing to take that risk right now, that to me is more important because they're going to be more convicted in their investments and they're going to be more willing to hold. Blaze Token just burned 1.7 billion. Shiba Inu, we burned 3.7 billion in our first week. Dang, man. Very nice. Yes, I don't have any Blaze, but Blaze does seem to be doing very well on the Shiba Inu coin burns with their volume. I'm excited about Bro Coin, dude. Any Bro Coin would be a solid, dude. Any Bro for that matter is solid. Now let's see. It's dead. Every coin pumps and dumps afterwards. It's dead. Yeah, roulette wheel. The thing though is, where does the dump or where does the pump end? You know, if you look at Pepe right now, it does seem like it is down heavy, and that's because it is down heavy. A 50% decline in about 3 days here is very tough to swallow. But, you know, if you look at Shiba Inu coin, the way that Shiba Inu coin rose, Shiba Inu coin's still 40-50x'd from the points that we're at right now on Pepe. What's to say that this was the all-time high? What's to say that this is the maximum Pepe will ever reach? Yes, it pumped. But look here. People saw this pump to, 100 points per coin. And then it sold off down here to 850. Had a nice 15-20% decline from the 1100 down to the 850. If you look at Pepe back here, Pepe rose up to about 350 or 35 points per coin and fell all the way back down to 19 points per coin. That was this little tiny dip was another 50% decline in the price of Pepe here. And it stayed stagnant and didn't do too much for a week and a half and then began to rip higher again. So it is very difficult to determine whether or not it's dead volume now, whether or not the sell-off is taking place, or if people are going to allow the hype to continue on. I will say this, people have very short attention spans and people have very short-term focus when it comes to cryptocurrencies, investments, and so on. There's nothing for the long term. So a lot of people already completely flipping their switch and saying that Pepe is done, when Pepe could just go through another week of consolidation before it rips to a new high. So it is very tough, man. Very tough. Let's see. Shib was listed on Coinbase, and then it blew up. Imagine if Pepe got listed on Coinbase. Let's see. We need people to trade Shib in order to burn Shib. Sarah von Bergen, it is correct. You absolutely need people to buy and sell if you want trade volume to burn. Buy the rumor, sell the news. Pepe got listed on Binance, right? So what you're talking about? Binance? Pepe to the moon. POD. Fort likes it. Don't forget to hit the like button. Listen to Pudgy, man. Click that darn like button. I don't know what you guys are doing, Pepe. 3 zeros and a 5. Oh my gosh, dude. If it hits that, people are going to be so wealthy. It's ridiculous. We got Blaze token promoters in here. I like it. It's Fibonacci retracement, a thing in the crypto space too. So, yeah, J-Bones, man. Fibonacci retracement would be a thing in any retracement. It kind of transcends. It's just levels of support, right? It's just theoretical levels of support. So yes, it should be a thing in crypto. It should be a thing in stocks. It should be a thing in Forex. It should theoretically be a thing in all retracements. So it's not one that I care to use too much. I focus more or less on the actual levels that you can see. So it's slightly less of a predictor of how low we are going to retrace or how far we can retrace. But in my opinion, and you guys can fall into line with whatever technical analysis you like, but in my opinion, I like to see where traders kind of resisted in the past and where traders, jumped in to buy in the past. And that's why I constantly look at the graph like that and point out little areas of support and resistance as opposed to using Fibonacci retracements. It is absolutely something you can use if you want, but I prefer to see where traders kind of got caught up in the past to make future projections there. But I missed one. It says Patrick. We'll throw it on the screen again since it's a Streamlabs super chat. Patrick says, can't make a PK coin for the following reasons. Only one in max supply. Dang it, Pat. I love it. Not enough money in the world, or in this world, or the next. Such beauty can never be quantified or contained in a coin. We're not worthy of the... No, you're not. P.S. I am averting my eyes. 9,977 to go. Man, that authorized hydration just hits so well. Thank you very much, Pat, for the super chat. And the beautiful description of why a Pika coin may never be feasible. Thoughts on Elon Pepe robot? Yes, my thoughts on Elon Pepe robot are a very good, it's making me reminisce on the good old days of when you would ask questions about Side of Flow, Simon Psyche, Inu. And those were the good old days, man. So it's making me believe that crypto is making a comeback, JB. Just the same way that we had questions about Side of Floki, Inu, Simon Inu, we now have questions about Elon Pepe robot. Yes. That's the assumption I was making, that you were talking about a coin there. Birthday coming up on Sunday. Might end up getting another SUV this week or Saturday. Looking at either a BMW, Mercedes, or Range Rover. Frank, man, just go Kia, dude. Just go Kia. You're gonna be better off with a Kia. Roulette wheel. Sorry to call you out, but you were talking down on Pepe before I bought it. 350% up to pull out profits, bought back in, and 200% gains. I like it, Kombu. And you know what, Kombu? A lot of people, roulette wheel, myself included, right? We might be a little bit more conservative, a little bit more skeptical of coins. And I don't think that that's necessarily a bad trait. I think it's just a little bit more of a skepticism that's out there. But you're absolutely right, dude. You took a chance before I was willing to take a chance on it. It turned out very well for you, being able to make 300 and 200% gains like that. Do you happen to know how to eat a banana, Kennedy? Do you know who you're talking to? I definitely know how to eat a banana. You can tell me in 2 months where Pepe is. Chances are going to be down about $200 million market cap. $200 million market cap. Ooh, that's a dip buying opportunity, baby. Oh, yes. Roulette wheel. Very good chance that it could be, man. Very good chance that it could be. A couple days of Pepe excitement quickly made people not forget, but overlook all of the regulatory concerns that are plaguing the crypto market right now. So we still have a ways to go before we get out of the woods and see anything like we saw in 2021 with massive pouring into the crypto space. So guys, in all actuality, the gains may just be getting started. Listen, I remember sitting there on my Zcash thinking that this is the dumbest stuff ever, man. Crypto could be done. There's nobody's interested in it right now. And there are still more people interested in crypto now than there was in 2019 and 2020. So crypto could see even less interest to get down to those 2019, 2020 levels. But think about this, guys. People were unwilling to buy Bitcoin at $3,000. They were unwilling to buy Zcash at $18. They were unwilling to buy Ethereum at $80 per coin. That's what a bear market does to you. It brings out the bears. The bulls kind of walk away for a while. The bears are all that remain, and nobody wants to buy at those low levels. I am telling you, if you just take a sustainable and maintainable approach, it is just almost guaranteed that you see a gain during the next bull market. I mean, you look at the previous bear markets and make that determination for yourself. Going all in at once is not necessarily a good approach, but if you can steadily stay in, the bull markets produce gains. They do. And if you're looking at bear market levels right now, that we may hit Ethereum, the lows of $700-800, Bitcoin's the lows of possibly $15,000. If the lows are already in, and the last bull market produced the gains that we saw, imagine the gains that we'll see in the next bull market. It could be fantastic. So you're saying I should go all in. Dang it, JB, that's exactly what I'm saying, man. JB, don't take that as serious, please. Fruit roll-up burrito. Thank you very much for the no ignore. I think that's a cow, dude. It looks a little It's so bad, dude. It's so bad. That's the best cow you're gonna hear today. I guarantee it. It might be the only cow you hear today, but it is the best cow you're gonna hear today. Fruit roll-up burrito. Thank you very much for the Oh, God, it's so good, dude. It's so good. Oh, jeez. You made my day, Pat. Absolutely. G550, Frank. You won't be let down. There you go. Hey, bro, check out Perry, the BNB. Okay, check out Perry, the BNB. Perry is that the name of the coin? Perry, the BNB. Ah, yes, I like it. Hey. Where's Perry? $4 million market cap on Perry the Platypus, Perry the BNB right here. It has been out for a whopping 2 days. 2 days. And it is up 9% on the day today. Not too bad. Going from listed lows of around 350. Dang, man. 10xing in value. Jeez, almost nearly 20xing in value, and is back down with 10x increase right here. So Perry the Platypus, ladies and gentlemen, could be something to check out there. Dude, coins are still up, man. Coins are still up. When coins like Perry the Platypus are doing very well, you know that coins are up right now. Elon Pepe and Rich Pepe are both low market caps about to pump. Crypto degenerate Elon Pepe. Don't you just love when they throw Elon in front and it does well? TK503 is all in on Elon Pepe. Oh my goodness. Let's make it happen. Maybe 3%, not sure. I made 0% gain on my 23,000 on my precious metals. Maybe 3%. My goal is to stack to 100. And you haven't lost anything yet. Roulette wheel. That's the good part, man. Sometimes conservation of wealth is more important than building wealth. I'll be a happy camper if I can get my portfolio to at least 150,000 in the next bull market. Razi, dude, those are the types of gains that people saw during the past bull market. Those are the types of gains that people saw during the bull market prior to that. You know, I don't know if you guys were paying attention to crypto back in 2017. I started looking at crypto, and I made the active decision not to invest in it, okay? It was probably 2013, 2014. I'd have to go back and look at the actual graph to see what the prices were. But when Bitcoin, I remember making the active decision not to touch Bitcoin at $400 per coin, all right? And I did so. I forget the year, but you guys can go. I mean, we could go price check if you wanted to see the year, but it was probably between 2012, 13, 14, sometime in that range. And I said no. You know, I don't want to invest in something that seems very risky, that seems like it is illicit, that everybody's telling you the only real use is going to be online gambling and drug dealers. And I made the decision not to invest. Clearly, if you would have bought $400 Bitcoin, you'd be doing so well right now. Now imagine the people that bought into Bitcoin at a $10 investment or a $40 investment. You know, it truly is life-changing. And that was during kind of a bear. It wasn't necessarily a bull market, but Bitcoin was up. It was up to $400 from about $100 per coin. And you just don't want to touch something when it's moving like that. You feel like it's too risky. Well, dude, then you would have taken that $400 to 20 grand during the 2017 bull market. Yes, you rode it back down to 3 grand, but nobody wanted to touch Bitcoin at 3 grand. And you would have rolled that up to nearly $70,000. And then the 70,000 comes down to what? 15? Have we hit the bottom? Nobody wants to touch Bitcoin during this bear market, but you have to touch it when nobody wants to touch it. Never mind. You have to touch it when nobody wants to touch it, because that is the only way you come out a winner. And we've seen it, like 5 bear market, bull market cycles prior. We've seen it, that every bull market that came afterwards really transformed people's portfolios. My goal, $14 and a 20-piece chicken McNugget from Chick-fil-A. There you go, J-Bones. I think you're going to accomplish that. My crypto, $40,000 is now worth $7,000. Yeah, roulette wheel, man. Crypto has had, here's the thing, dude. Crypto has had a very, very difficult bear market here. I know you know that. I know that. I think a lot of people know that. And it's turned a lot of people off, man. It really has. Here's also the thing that I want to point out. If you're looking at the stock market, right? Pick a random stock right now, dude. It would have done the same thing to your portfolio. It would have taken your $40,000 portfolio and maybe taken it down to a $4,000 worth. A lot of stocks fell 90%. A lot of very good stocks, large super cap stocks, fell, I don't know, dude, 70%, 50 to 70%. You know, you can watch Amazon drop 50+%, and it's insane to see those types of losses. The stock market did it too. Holding cash. If you were holding cash, dude, let's think about it. Well, look at your dollar's purchasing power. They're lying through their teeth when they say that inflation is only at 5%. Dude, I can go to the restaurant right now, and I can guarantee you I'm getting smaller portions, which I know. I'm not a growing boy, so I know I'm getting smaller portions when I can easily finish my meal and still want more when I'm done. And I'm paying probably 30% more at restaurants. You go to the grocery store, and you look at the price of groceries, dude, and it makes you sick to your stomach to have to pay for these things at the grocery store. You go to Home Depot or whatever, try to get something for your house, and you realize that your entire paycheck is gone if you're paying retail prices for things right now. Your dollar probably lost 50 to 60% of its value over the last couple of years. So whether you were in cash, whether you were in stocks, whether you were in crypto, you are seeing massive declines over the last couple of years, man. If you have evidence of strong possibility of a rug pull or scam, then please share. Yes, please do so on anything there. Clay, I bought $100 billion worth of Pepe, currently down at the moment. Do you recommend holding until next year or taking my initial investment profits out on the next pump? Ray, Here's the thing, man. With something like Pepe, I think that being able to take your profits out or take your initial investment out on any pump is a lot more conservative than just holding, okay? Here's the thing that I don't know. Will Pepe develop the same type of committed community that Dogecoin and Shiba Inu coin did? And if you can say that it will, I'm not opposed to holding, okay? But let's say that Pepe runs up to $1 billion valuation like a MetaPets or a Clifford Inu or a Saitama or insert your meme coin in there. SafeMoon, whatever. If it doesn't have the committed community that Dogecoin and Shiba Inu coin did, it is very threatening to the long-term survival. It runs up and it runs down. So it really depends on what Pepe creates. And right now, Pepe's got the price action. Right now, Pepe is volatile. It's bringing in traders. Is it bringing in committed community members? That's the tough part. And right now, with holders at only 100,000, they would have to drastically grow that number if I was to say that the community would be a long-standing community. Let's see here. I want to touch that. Yes, real inflation is about 15%, 25%. Yeah, roulette wheel. I'd agree more along your numbers right there than 5%. I would definitely agree with the 15 to 25%. And I would say that that's on a decent basket of goods that you're talking about. Some things up way above 25% price increases. Some things way below 15% price increases. But across the board, I feel like those are real numbers there. I feel like 25% is much more realistic than the 5% that they're showing us, dude. Think about the fact that your dollar, dude, is worth like 25% less than it was last year, man. That is just disheartening. My gosh, dude. Oh, so I have a question. I bought Kiki on Uniswap. It shows the total amount of coins, but doesn't have a price listed. Is that normal for a new coin? Kennedy's crazy polls. It must be a very new coin, right? And I if you're on like Trust Wallet, it could be a possibility there. That yes, that's the case. I don't know how new this Kiki is, and I don't know how much you bought, but it is a possibility because there's some coins, and these coins are done now though. Like these meme coins are trash. They're literally worth nothing. But there's some coins in my in one of my Trust wallets that don't have any price next to them. It shows that I have those coins that I bought during the mania of 2021 that are now literally worthless, and it shows no price next to them. So, yes, it's possible, but I only see that next to coins that I know are worth absolutely nothing. Here the BNB, please. Yeah, Guiba Show, man. You're the second guy to ask about that. Look, we got it up right here. Dark Bro was talking about that a minute ago. It is up 22% right now. We talked about it being up 20x over the last 2 days. Back down to a 10x gain. So it has already lost 50% of its value from a day ago. But nonetheless, man, up 22% on the day today. Not a bad gain at all for Perry the BNB. What a big change occurred about the last 2 years that we could revert that change. DD214. I can't place my finger on it, but the good news is it may be something that can be changed. That's about as far as we can go, right? DD214. Ape Father says hi. Ape Father's man-child. Tell the Ape Father I love that dude, man. And you know what? I am very glad. The AMC movement brought a lot of people out of nowhere, man. I think this world's a little bit of a better place with the Ape Father having fun with his life, making millions of videos per day, a lot of them just eating. But I think this world is a little bit better place when people are following their passion. And I know that is what the Ape Father's doing. I know he's not everybody's cup of tea, man. But that's what I like to see. Everybody going after what they find appropriate and what they want to go after. So yeah, dude, tell the Ape Father I said what's up. I love that, dude. I need to get you know what, man? I still want to send the Ape Father a t-shirt or a hoodie or something. I need to email the Ape. I want to get that dude a hoodie. I got a 3X hoodie that I think would look great on the Ape Father there. Still own Safe Moon. Kenneth, a Safe Moon OG, man. Oh, geez, you're awesome. Clay Guiba, absolutely, guys. I think I know what it was, but it's too political to say for sure. I can't, right, Pika. I can't quite put my finger on it, but luckily, you know, politics are something that can change. They might not change very often, but sometimes we have good, sometimes we have bad, sometimes we have really bad. So yeah, the good news is, man, people get to vote. That whether you dislike the way people vote, I mean, that's obvious in the crypto world and the real world. Whether you dislike the way that people vote, at least people can vote, man. Anyway, guys, it's past 1 o'clock. We're going to get off for the afternoon. We will be back in the afternoon live stream. Everybody enjoy your day up to this point. Appreciate all 56 of you guys in here. I am begging just one person. Click the link at the top of the chat. Follow the Twitter page, the Twitch page. Literally 0 followers in the Twitch platform today. So I might have to do some Twitch giveaways for all you guys that are slacking over on Twitch there. Go follow the Twitch thing so we can get that thing monetized. We only need 50 followers over there. Nonetheless, guys, a trash coin. It needs to be done. Trash coins need to be done for sure, man. Let's see, guys. Names in the chat. We're going to do all that good stuff. We will be back this afternoon. Appreciate every single one of you. Rule that wheel! I'm leveling up, man. That's what I'm doing there. Roulette wheel, thank you very much for the level up, man. Level up, man. Yes. Roulette wheel, shout out to you. Appreciate you, man. We got shout outs across the board, guys. Mr. Brian, Guiba Show, Pika Power, Kombu, Dark Bro, Mr. Brian, Kombu, Rozzy, man. See you later. Kombu, Kenneth, Vet Lifer, Roulette Wheel. See you later, dude. Appreciate the super chat, man. Mr. Brian, Rozzy, Roulette Wheel, Bob, Ray De Silva. Enjoy your afternoon. Kombu, Giovanni. Good job today. Thank you very much, Giovanni. Appreciate you, dude. Pika Power Sam. Peace out of the diamond handed poodles, baby. Back to the future. See you later, DD214. Pika Budgie, J Dizzle over in the Twitch platform. All of you guys, you know what time it is. You want to say it with me? Say it with me. Till the next time. Hope to each and every one of you have an awesome day.